Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today is June 29th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be June 30th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you guys some levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. For all of those who are, thank you guys very much. Any questions that you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, we would love to get back to you guys. But other than that, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we did hit the level of 42.89 and then came right back down, kind of pulled a little bit deeper, and you could see here we had a little bit of a support that popped in right around 42.77.75. So for right now, we're right back up against those 87 to 89s. I'm gonna see if we can actually push through this level. If not, this is our rejection area, this is our resistance, and again, this is an opportunity that you may have if you want to look for the short trade against the actual trend and the momentum. This is where you want to see the market reject, fail to get through, and then try to get that pull back down. Now, the more longer term idea for the bullish trade for me is going to be somewhere around the 77 to maybe about 78 area for the support to happen. Now, if the market does bottom out here and fail to get through, maybe look for a nice double bottom move and then push the opportunity back to the upside to the level of 89, and then through that to our next level. 42.9650 is our next measured move opportunity in this bullish trend. So that's what we're going to be looking at now. Support below 42.6575 as the support below. If we do get through these 77.75s, that's going to be our next area that we're looking for the market to catch some support. With that, let's go ahead and move over into a smaller chart for you guys so you guys can see what's going on. So the smaller chart, you can see do got quite a bit of micro movement, but again, more of the major level for me is going to line up right around 42.7775 as the area. Now we may catch the support around 42.85 or 42.8150 as micro level supports, but we do have to specifically see what we want to get right at those levels, and if we don't, again, there's not going to be any trade opportunity at those levels. So again, I'm looking for more of a deeper pullback somewhere around these 77s and then get a nice bounce from there for a continuation of move. But again, you can catch the support happening at 81.50 or at 85, and if that happens, we will get an opportunity to look to try to trade that back to the upside. But right now we are touching resistance. You can see we hit it one time, failed to get through, looking for the market to hit it again. If we fail to get through, we may have a nice opportunity to try to short against this bullish trend and against the momentum, the bullish momentum. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. But with that said, let's go ahead and move over into gold. So for gold, as we move in here, we could see we did have a nice push back up. We did reject right off these 1766.3s as our level of resistance. So what we're looking for specifically here on gold is that the market come back into these 1759.4s. If we get that rejection to fail to get through, this is going to be our long opportunity back to the upside into right around these 64s and then 66.3 as our next level of resistance. Once we can get through 66.3, next level up is going to be somewhere around 74 even, and then above that 1783.2. So that 1759.4 is going to be a key significant level for resistance. And again, we are looking to not resistance, but excuse me, for support. And we are looking for that to reject, find that support there, and then get an opportunity to continue this bullish move that we seem to be having here on gold. Now, again, once we get through these 66.3s, that's going to be our opportunity for us to try to push through into 74 as the next level of resistance. So again, we want to see that happen. Let's pull over a smaller chart here on gold, see what we got coming up. So again, you can see we're pulling right into that level. Again, this is going to be our opportunity here. We do want to see the market get right into this area, reject this, and then continue up. Now, if we get this, this is going to be a good trade opportunity here. Now, for those of you that like to wait out for more information, you may want to see one rejection and then two rejections, fail to get through, and then try that upside move. Now, you get underneath this level, we could fall a little bit deeper. So again, you want to keep that in mind. But right now, 1759.4 is looking like decent support that could hold this market to push to the upside. So we'll see if we can get that on gold. Below 59.4, more of a significant level is going to be somewhere down at the 1747.9s for me for the support. So we'll see if we get that. Above 66, you can see 44 and then 83.2 as the next levels up above. Let's go ahead and move over into oil for you guys. So for oil, pulling this up, we did get nice double top rejection here at 73.70, and then we started to pull down. Market still pretty strongly bullish. 72.70 was a nice level of support right there. So we did pull right back up from that area and then touch these. Well, we tried to touch these 73.70s again. Now, what do we want to see as the market tries to get back to that area? Either we're going to reject off this level here again, these 73.70s as resistance, and if we fail to get through, that's going to be another good opportunity for us to look for a short if we get up to that level. Now for support, I got a bigger level, somewhere right around these 73.19s as an area of support that we potentially could have that could make the market bounce. There could be a little bit of a micro level between all of this if you want it, but I might not be looking for it. But there is, again, a micro level that you could potentially have right there at 73.33 if you get that support. But I am looking for the market to come down a little bit deeper and then bounce right off these 73.19s. And if we can get that bounce, maybe look for a nice continuation or move right back to the upside from there. So those are my two trade ideas for oil. Let's move over to a smaller chart so we can see what's going on a smaller chart. So as we move into this smaller chart, you can see that little bit of a micro area is somewhat holding the support. Now again, that's going to be right here, somewhat holding that support. We did get a nice bounce. So this could be a great opportunity off this micro area right here that we may end up taking for a long opportunity continuation right into those 73.70s. So we're going to eyeball that level right there because it's right at our area. Want to see if we can actually get this bullish move right back up into 73.70. Now if that level doesn't work out, again, it's going to be best for us to look for the market to come deeper into these 73.19s, and then if we can't hold that level, then our next support is going to come somewhere around these 72.70s as we had the market bounce right off that area right there. So that's going to be what we're looking at on oil for you guys. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Again, we would love to get back to you guys. And look, guys, if you guys are struggling to find consistency in trading, if you guys are struggling to find success in this business, feel free to pop into the Pure Structure Trading website. Take some sessions, some coaching sessions with us, some coaching programs with us. Become a member. Learn to see what it looks like to find consistency and success in trading. Trade side by side with your mentors in the morning in the US session on gold, on oil, on S&P. Again, it's very helpful when it comes to all of this, being able to see and understand why you would be trading some of the levels that we have up on the chart. But other than that, guys, if you guys continue to trade tonight, make sure you guys trade well. We're going to wrap it up here, but you guys take care. Have a great night. Bye, guys.